y'all, this is Chef Shay, and today we're going to be doing a jerk salmon pizza using two of my products, two of DivineKuizine's products, the jerk sauce and the jerk rub. The jerk sauce we're going to use as the base. You know how like you usually would use tomato sauce as your base for your pizza? We're going to use this jerk sauce. This jerk sauce is sweet with a little bit of spice to it. And then we're gonna use the jerk rub. We're gonna have the jerk rub as to season our salmon. So we're just gonna use a little bit of this jerk rub because it can be spicy. And so we want that kick, but we want it to be good for everyone, you know, kid friendly and everyone in your family. So these are the two products, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to use this on our salmon jerk pizza. Let's get started.
So we're just gonna make nice chunks of the salmon. Cut it up in chunks. Creole seasoning, a little garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, we're gonna cook it on high heat because we don't want to cook it all the way because we're gonna cook it pretty much, but not all the way because it's gonna cook again in the oven, and we don't want it to dry out. So then we're gonna take some of our cheese. I have white cheddar, but you can use what you want to use. We have orange peppers. Same thing. And we have red onion. And I like just the little balls. Distribute them evenly.
Okay, y'all, so now we'll put this in the oven at 425 degrees for 12 minutes. It's gonna be between 8 to 12 minutes depending on your oven, but mine will be about 12 minutes. Finished making the salmon pizza, jerk salmon pizza. So now I'm gonna go in and taste it. It smells delicious. Some of my stuff came out. I'm gonna get all my good stuff now. So I'm going and taste it. Let's talk about it. It's good. You can get that jerk taste. You get them a little bit of spice from the salmon, and then the sauce, a little sweet, a little spicy. And then you have your peppers, your red onions, you have that garlic butter, so you're kind of getting a little bit of that in there as well. Well-balanced pizza. Not too spicy. It does have a little bit of kick to it, but not too spicy. But then it has a little twang because like the jerk sauce, this jerk sauce is a little sweet spice. And then of course, remember your jerk rub is gonna be a little more spicier. So the jerk rub is gonna be more of that kick for this pizza with the salmon. And then the sauce gives it more of a balance of that sweetness, spiciness. And then the peppers all together, it just comes great together. Great pizza, easy to make. Make this at home. It's a must get recipe. You can find this recipe at DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all.
Layer.